This is going to be a very interesting video. In this video, I'm going to teach you every single thing of TradingView.com and how to set up each and everything. Welcome back everyone. This is Anil Kumar Nair with you, and we are going to talk about stock market, TradingView, how to use it, and as I told you earlier, every small detail of what is TradingView.com and how to use each and every tool in TradingView.com. That is very much necessary and which I follow. This is a basic overview of TradingView, and anybody who already knows TradingView and how it works, you may skip this video, and who are new to TradingView and who would like to know more about TradingView, please come along with me to my screen and I will show you. If you go to TradingView.com, you will see a blue icon on the top right hand side of your screen. You can either click that to get started, or you can go here to products, click on supercharts. Suggest logging and creating your own account because it's free and you don't have to pay anything for it. So I prefer to log in and start your own account. You can log in with your Google account or you can create your own. It's up to you. Now here, when you see my screen, you will see it as dark, black. This is just because I have pressed the dark. I am in the dark mode. Your screen will be looking like this, where I would prefer to put it on the dark mode, which don't give a brightness to my eye. When I am on the white mode, it gives a brightness to my eye, which I don't like. It's about people to people. How you feel, you can do that. No, not a problem. Then if you click on the search, you can search any symbol or stock. Now, next icon here is the plus sign. You can see a plus sign over here. When you click on this plus symbol, you can add other symbol which you like. It lets you overlay and you can compare the charts. Now, for example, let me click on this plus symbol. Let me add, let us say Nifty, this one. This is actually SGS Nifty. SGS Nifty is always Singapore market, which goes in parallel with our stock market, which I will explain in another video. Now you can see here how the Singapore Nifty has moved. This orange line of what you see over here is how it has moved compared to the Nifty chart, Nifty candles which you had seen over here, which is present over here. You can see how it is moving. So normally the Singapore market, Singapore Nifty, it moves almost the same like our Nifty. So this is for comparing. Now I'll remove this comparison chart from here and let us proceed. Next option here is, you can see D written over here. This is the time frame of the chart. In the drop down menu, you will look at any chart with this time frame from 1 minute to 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, anything between this time frame. Now on this one, you have an opportunity, whichever you choose, or you have learned the strategy or which you want to use, you can put it as your favorites, which will come on the top. So my favorite, let us see, 3-minute chart. 3-minute chart. I put a 5-minute chart. I like a 15-minute chart. And when I'm trading with commodities, I go with 2-hour chart. Now, if I put this over here, now you will see all this has come as a shortcut over here. And I see this 3-minute, 5-minute, 15-minute, 2-hour, everything is over here. Now let it be as it is for the moment, and we will click on the next one, which is candles. You can see 2 candles over here. If you click on this, I can change the way these candles look like. Now all these candles are looking like red, green and so on. I can change, I can make it to look like hollow. Now you see it's hollow. Can I see that? It's hollow now. I can make it look like just a line. So you can play with this one, which I don't recommend because I like to keep it as candles only. I like to keep it as in the default setting always. Next one is the indicators. Now indicators is a long chapter. When you try to buy a stock or sell something, when you try to buy, sell, just looking at these candles, you will not get what position it is and whether it's the right time or you are making a right decision. So indicators help you in making that decision. Now in this chart you have seen that before that, let me show you, there is nothing over here. Now I want to buy the stocks when the RSI, I want to put RSI. So I put RSI over here, relative strength index. If I put it over here, you will see that this RSI has come over here. Now I can decide how much this RSI value should be. This is a different chapter overall, so I will not go into detail at this moment. Now, depending on the RSI, or you can say you can put indicator like moving average, simple moving average. I'll remove the RSI from here at this minute. Here. So this blue, what you see is a moving average which I have put. Now I will change the value of the moving average and I will put it in input value as 21. So this is my 21 moving average. Now according to my strategy, if certain candle is going below this average line, I will be shorting it. Now this is, remember one thing, what right now I am showing you is not a strategy. So never try to use this. This is only for reference what I am showing. What are these indicators doing and how you can use these indicators once you learn how to use them. Now you see a moving average is moving up. Now this is a junction where this has touched the moving average. So it's a buy sign. You can buy and see how the stock is going upward. Again, this is not a strategy, so don't use it. I just want to tell you again and again, don't use it. This is not a strategy. This is only for making you understand. I have put this. I can make this 21 moving average into 200. Or when I put it as 200, see how this has moved? So this, I can put up to 3 indicators over here. Now if I put Bollinger Band, I can put Bollinger Band. See now, I have put Bollinger Band. Now see, you can see here there is simple moving average and there is Bollinger Band. I can open and close this. This is the settings. If I click on that, I will get how much value I need to put, what style I want. I want to put it this way. I want to make the background. I want to keep the background. I want to make the background some other color. Whatever I need to do, I can do it over here. Which is the one which is working for you? I hope you got it. If you didn't get it, go through it again. Indicators. Now the next one here is, you can see 4 squares over here. Let me remove this Bollinger Band and let me remove this. When you hover over it, there's a cross sign you will find and you can remove it like this. Next is this one, which is the indicator template. Indicator template, I never use this template. I have not used this, but this one is good one if you want to save some indicators. Like you want to save this indicator to something, or you can have your own indicators and save it. So this is for that purpose, which I have not used it. The next one is alerts. I can put alerts where I want to buy or sell. So this will help me to put those alerts for me. Notifications. I can click on notifications and that certain type of notifications will come. Whether I want to put it on the mobile app, etc. So this is notification which I rarely use. This replay button is for only the paid version. For just members, you will not get. Paid version, the benefit of paid version when you use it, when I am using it, is this paid version helps me to backtest. For example, this is the whole day chart and the candles over here. Now here when I am putting it, you can see down below here is written 18th October. This candle is 18th October. Now when I click on this, once I have this replay done, when I click on this, what will happen is all the days, all these charts before 18th of October will disappear. And then when I put replay, it will come to me step by step, one candle by one candle, which will help me to backtest my strategy or see how the market is going. So this is what the replay button does. Now I don't suggest you need a replay button for this. You can have paper and pen and backtest. This is the best way to be practical. When you are practical, you will learn more. When you have shortcuts and you just listen and throw it out, will not let, like in the school when you are told to write to improve your handwriting, you get irritated by when they say you write it 20 times, you write the whole page, you get irritated. The child gets irritated, but it helps them to have a good writing, right? In the same way, don't go for automation and all these things. Go for practice, practice and practice. Then only you can make good money in the stock market. Now let us move further. This over here is just a redo button. Like whenever you type something, you want to redo it, you put it as Command Z or Control Z. So this does the same purpose. Here, this one, you can save your chart. You can rename the chart, whatever you had put, you can save your chart over here. Now here I have an unnamed chart. That is the same thing which I had done before. So it's the same. So you can rename it, you can save it, you can share it and so on. Sharing will come only on paid versions, as I said. Now here is a quick search button. Same as you can search for any stock or anything by clicking over here, or tools. You can search over here. So this is a quick search button for whatever you are searching for in this software. In the settings, you can change the color of your candles. You can make it from green to any color, which green to blue, green to black, anything can put. But I prefer to keep it as it is, so I will not touch this one. I will put, say, cancel over. You can change the status line, scales. I mean to say, whatever you learned, whatever symbol, whatever changes in the settings, it's such a beautiful software that you can make each and every change. Now you see here, if I want this crosshair or I want a dash, I can put a dash over here. I can change this white crosshair to red. Now I will show you what change happens. See, this is crosshair. Now crosshair, this is line showing. Now I change it to red. You saw that I changed it to red. If I change it back to white again, I can change it to white. I can change it again to dash lines. See, now it's dash line. In the side, you can see here dash lines are showing. So I can do whatever changes I would like to in this. Now I want this dash. I prefer to have dash lines. I can keep dash lines. What all you wish for your training purpose, for your assessing purpose, you can do that. That can be done in the settings. This is full screen mode. You click here and it will be a full screen. This next one, like a camera showing, this is snapshot. You want to take a snapshot, it will save it as a URL, and whenever you want to recall the URL, you can get that one. And this is the publish button. If you want to, this publish and all comes with your paid version only. You want to share it with your friend, with a community, with a group, you can do that by putting here publish. And this side, you can save, you can see this column as a watch list. You can remove it from there. You can again put it back. And this is, you can set the alerts, a buy alert or a sell alert, or you need to know if the market has gone 22,000. For here as an example, this is 21,669. You want to know if the market has gone up to 22,000. You can set an alert over here. This is object tree. I have Nifty and trend line over here. Whatever I can add from here, from my left hand side. I can add it over here and it will show here what all is here. And the next one is the hot list. Changes the market has made. What is the volume? What is the percentage? Who are the best gainers? Who are gaining in means of percentage? Everything comes over here if you want to check the hot list. And this is calendar. If you have some ideas, you can just put it over here. Plus this plus sign. You can put your ideas and publish your ideas. So this is for chat. You can chat. This is for idea streaming. Again, the same thing like publish. You can press it over here. This all is, I never use it. This, you can stream whatever you are doing. You can stream it, live stream it over here. This all comes with the paid version. I never use any of this. Now, let us go to the left-hand side of the screen. The left-hand side of the screen, the first one is cross. Now, what is cross? This is showing like a plus sign is coming. You can see there is a plus sign wherever I take the cursor, there is a plus sign coming. So that one I can change it to dot. Now a dot sign will come. Now see, it has turned into a dot. Now I can change it to an arrow. I can change it to a eraser kind of thing. I prefer to keep it as cross only. And the next one, drawing of lines, drawing of trend line. This is very important. So suppose I want to have a horizontal line. I want to mark it from here to here how the market has gone. I can just click over here and see there is a horizontal line which has come. See this? The green line what is come. This is how the market is doing support and resistance. The next one in this and the trend line. You use most of the time trend lines are used. Trend line to see how the market is positioning and where you want to buy or sell. Now if I draw a trend line from here to here, these are trend lines. Once you know how to use it, you will be able to make a decision based on your trend line drawings and how the market moves. Whether you need to buy, you need to sell, you can know by putting these trend lines. This one, see the vertical line, a blue color vertical line has come up. Basically, what all you intend to draw on a piece of paper and try to do it, you can draw it directly on the chart for making your strategy or buy or sell decisions. And the next one here is, you can put Fibonacci, you can put many things which I rarely use. Let us try Fibonacci. You see how the charts are coming. So this is in this range how the Fibonacci charts will come. So these are the kind of things what you can use. I use one or two of this. This one, I like to have a long position. I like to use this short position. This is projections. Only these two I am basically use, long and short. See, when I want to short, this is what I do. What I click here to here. If I want to short, I can click. Let us say after this candle, I want to short. After the small candle, not of the long. After the small candle, I want to do a shorting. So if I do a shorting, I can take the stop loss wherever I need. What all percentage or what all amount I need the stop loss. Now the red area is the stop loss and the green area is my, let us say, is my position. This is I want to put a brush, arrow, triangle, what all I need, I can do that. Say I want to put an arrow. I want to show it by means of an arrow. I can show it by means of an arrow. Then I can draw a rectangle. Suppose from here to here, how the market has moved, I need to understand. Then I can have a rectangle from here. I can put a rectangle. In a drawing board, what all tools are there, you can take it and draw it and rub it, scale. You can use the scale. You can do all these things within this. If you are, if I give you a pen and paper and put a lot of tools on a table, like you can put an arrow from here, so this will help you to put an arrow. This you can draw a line. This you can draw a triangle, a rectangle, a circle, whatever you want. So this is basically all this stuff. If you want a scale, see, if you want a scale, you have a scale over here for measuring. Just when you click over here, you will understand the length of that bar, how big the bar is. With the scale, I click a smaller one. See? And if I drag it, it also shows volume. So basically this is a zooming tool. I want to zoom it over here so it will get zoomed. I want to reduce the zoom. Now this is magnet. Now what is the purpose of this magnet? Suppose I draw a trend line from this point to this point. Now what this will do is this will automatically clip on, say I will magnify and show you, clip on to exactly on the tip. Like a magnet, it will stick onto it. From which point I have taken that tool, I'll show you once again. I will remove this one. Let us say I want to draw from here to here. Trend line tool, I will clip from here to here. I don't have to see exactly if it is, let us say it is very small. I don't have to see exactly where it is going to clip because it will clip surely on the tip like a magnet. So this is what it will do. See, exactly on the tip. It will be exactly on the tip. Like a magnet it will stick on. So this is the purpose of magnet. The next tool, stay drawing mode. The stay drawing mode, what happens is, if I press this and keep stay drawing mode and I take one tool, again let us say trend line, I took trend line and I am drawing from here to here. Again I can take this drawing tool and to go to here. I can draw from here to here. See, now I draw 3 lines and I did not have to go back over here. If this is not there, I will show that also. Now see, this is, now I remove this. Stay drawing tool, I unlocked it. Now what will happen? Every time I have to draw one line, see, suppose I draw a trend line from here to here. Again I have to draw from here to here. Let us assume that I want to draw from here to here. It will not come. I have to go back again over here, click, and then take this. But if I keep this on, whatever tool I used last, I can use it repeatedly if I keep it locked. So that is the purpose of this stay in drawing mode. Next one is lock. This will lock all the drawing modes. I mean to say, if I draw anything, trend line, and if I press here, lock all drawing modes, all this will be locked. The drawing modes are locked completely. Now if I try to pull this, if I want to remove this and bring it further, it will not come. If I unlock it, then only I can move this tool anywhere, wherever I want. If I lock it, I cannot move any of the tool from anywhere. All the drawing, whatever I have done, is locked totally. So that is the purpose of this lock drawing modes. This is to hide the drawings. This is for hide drawing, hide indicators, all I can hide. Like the same purpose what I am showing over here. If I draw something, if I draw a trend line and I want to hide it, it is hidden. And this one helps me, this trash helps me remove all the drawings. It helps me remove all the indicators. If I put any indicator, I can remove that one. If I have put a drawing and indicator, everything I can remove. So this is trash. Let me put one indicator also. If I put one indicator, Bollinger Band. This is a Bollinger Band. I put an indicator, Bollinger Band. Now here I can remove one indicator. This is the indicator what I have put. This one I can close it from here by pressing on this one, or I can go here and remove this. Remove one indicator. It is gone. So this is what it does. So basically this is how TradingView works. I hope everybody understood. I was very slow in going through it, just for making it very clear for each and every one of you to understand. This TradingView.com is a very helpful site where you can try to analyze, which helps in trading in the market very easily. Thank you everyone. Hope you like this video. I will be coming up with other videos which will be very helpful. I am just looking into subjects which anybody should understand and everybody can make a good trade in the market. So these are some of the basics which I am teaching now. In the coming videos, I will go into advanced versions.